Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. I'd like to take this opportunity, we have this rare lowland snow, to demonstrate the awesomeness of Infiniti's intelligent all-wheel drive system. They've been making this intelligent all-wheel drive system for a very long time. It's racing inspired. It originally originated in the early version of the Nissan Skyline GTR. It's called a Tesla all-wheel drive. ATESTA stands for Advanced Total Traction Engineering System for All Terrain. And even though this Q50 is pumping out 400 horsepower, it's an all-weather winter rallying machine, especially if you get some good snow tires, some studded snow tires. This thing is nearly unstoppable in the snow. Aside from ground clearance, this all-wheel drive system provides amazing traction. So in a pretty big parking lot, no other cars around, just want to do a quick little video just showing you how great this thing does in the snow. Turn the radio off. So Infiniti has a drive mode selector, and of course I'm going to put it in snow mode. It just calibrates the throttle and stuff to make it a little less sensitive. Also makes changes to traction stability control settings when driving in snowy weather. But this thing just takes right off in the snow. Excellent traction. Looks like some other people are having a little fun in this parking lot. But the all-wheel drive system doesn't just improve your wet and slippery weather traction, it also improves your performance. You can get on the power a little bit earlier in the corners, and this all-wheel drive system just does an awesome job. All right, going on to some drive pavement here. And here we go. Here's some fresh snow. And this thing just goes right through it. You would not be able to drive a Q50 like this with rear-wheel drive, but the all-wheel drive system, like aside from ground clearance, you know, you're gonna probably have just as good as traction in the snow as most four-wheel drive and all-wheel drive vehicles. Obviously, you know, if you have summer compound tires, those are not going to do quite as well in the snow as snow tires or all-season tires. But this has pretty good all-season tires on it. They're a little bit more performance-based, but this thing, you know, it just has awesome traction in the snow. And it just really makes this an all-season point-and-shoot sports car. The all-wheel drive system and the great traction stability control system really does a good job putting the power to the ground. I can just hammer on the throttle and it does a great job putting that power to the ground. I don't really even see the traction control system going on when I'm stomping on the throttle with the snow mode. It retards the throttle enough that it's not going to overwhelm the wheels. And the all-wheel drive system is intelligent. It's has an electromagnetic differential. So it can, what it does is it sends electric current to the electromagnetic differential, and that activates the all-wheel drive system. So you know how fast electricity travels. It travels very, very fast. So being an electromagnetic differential, it can activate the all-wheel drive very quickly. It can send up to 50% of the vehicle's power to the front wheels almost instantly in a matter of milliseconds. And this is also a newer version of the ATESTA all-wheel drive system. It has the speed bump there, didn't see that. Snow kind of lessened the impact there. They shaved those speed bumps a little bit, so they're not quite as bad. But it has ETS, which stands for electronic torque split. So if you're thinking about getting a nice all-wheel drive performance sedan, I highly recommend checking out the ATESTA all-wheel drive system in the Infiniti Q50. As you can see, it performs remarkably well in the snow. I think you'll have a pretty hard time getting one of these things stuck unless the snow is super deep or maybe it's like a really super steep hill. But this is a great all-weather performance machine. Hopefully you enjoyed this vehicle, and hopefully we'll see you soon at our dealership. Thanks for watching.